It's our latest KXAN Investigates piece that you can read right now at our website, kxan.com. Insurance companies not paying telehealth claims for mental health care in Texas. And the author of that story joining me now, KXAN investigative reporter Jody Barr. And Jody, the root of the issue is, of course, the coronavirus outbreak, which is forcing people to seek therapy in a teleconference instead of face-to-face, similar to how you and I are speaking right now. But not all insurance companies will cover these kinds of visits, right?
Robert, that's exactly what we're finding. It appears to be a plan-by-plan situation, whether insurers will cover visits conducted over the internet. So there's absolutely no uniformity when it comes to knowing whether one plan covers these visits when compared to another plan, even within the same insurance company.
Well, you spoke to one patient in particular. Tell us about what she has experienced since finding out that her insurance provider will not cover her teleconference sessions.
Well, this patient went months seeing a therapist with absolutely no problems with her insurance coverage. But when that therapist was forced to see patients over the internet, that's when Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas started denying that coverage. That denial was simply because of the change from in-person visits to telehealth. Robert, nothing else in that arrangement changed.
Well, another story of yours that's still generating a lot of traffic at our website about a local company called ImagineNet Consulting that wanted to dock paychecks of employees who would get stimulus checks from the federal government. That company is now singing a different tune, right?
It is, and that tune went from "we're docking your pay" to "we're sorry." A worker came to us last week with a letter from his employer asking him to agree to a pay cut for the amount of his stimulus payment. That worker told me he'd rather lose his job in unemployment than agree to allow his company to do this to its workers. But Robert, after the nationwide kickback over this, ImageNet Consulting apologized to its workers and decided against what the company's president called an ill-advised plan.
All right, KXAN investigative reporter Jody Barr, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Robert.